Hi. Recently the Omni Network project announced the start of the second task in their test network, and now I'm showing you how to do it right. Let's get started. All links from this video will be in my Telegram channel. In the MetaMask, select the Omintestnet network. Go to this site and connect the wallet. Click Build. Now click Mint. Upload any picture you want. Create a name and write a description. Next, select the Omintestnet network. You can add any properties you want. Click Submit, and confirm the transaction in MetaMask. The next step, go to the Galc site. We see that the tasks with the NFT mint has already been verified for us. Complete all other social tasks and claim NFT. That's all for now. Subscribe to my Telegram and YouTube channel and also like this video. Thank you for watching.